Hello again, rail fans. As you may have noticed, the Harmon Wall is under a maintenance curfew right now. I'm refinishing the siding, so I've taken some of the signs off while I'm doing that. In the meantime, today we chase a rare train up the Ashwood Southeastern Railroad. The Ashwood to Quincy Manifest has a very special locomotive leading. Join me in Ashwood Yard as we begin our chase up the East District. We begin in Ashwood Yard, where we see the one-man crew getting on duty. With the crew aboard, the train departs Ashwood Yard, with the special unit in the lead. Fuck you! They soon come to a stop a few blocks north to let a light power move pass south in the opposite direction. With the power move clear, they are once again underway, passing the last wigwag railroad crossing signal left in Ashwood.
Get the fuck out of the way!
Despite the encounter with the rogue cyclist, we beat the train to Brook with time to spare. Get the fuck back! We now witness the train making its long climb up Sierra Pass, rounding the curve at Big Ten. Once clear of Sierra Pass, we see the eastbound Ashwood to Quincy mixed freight passing the east end of Sierra siding. Here we see the train in the vandalism-prone city of Deadwood. We catch the train one final time just east of Deadwood on a sweeping curve. fucking foamer keeps following us.
Going up. 17th floor.
So, that was a successful chase. For our lunch day, we're just gonna pick something up quick from this new gas station that's opened here in Deadwood. Let's go inside. They could work on their doors a little bit. As you can see, they've got quite the random selection of items. Oh, hello. I think I'm gonna get some chicken, though. 1 chicken, please.
Total will be $17.99.
What the fuck? Get
You want
out
your
of here.
chicken?
With prices like that, fuck no and fuck you! Well, rail fans, that was sure a great chase, although that gas station was definitely a bit unusual. I heard on the radio on my way back home that some explosion happened in Forest Park, a neighborhood of Ashwood. I wonder what could have caused that. Anyways, I'll see y'all out there on the high iron. This is Daniela Harmon, out.